Oh, we are on. Hello guys, I am Master Blade. This is Fastlane game, and today is a special day because I have just now, sorry, not here. Mm, yes, here. I have just now unlocked the shift. This car is so nice and gives me more rep. What I should say now? Okay, let's defeat the Ricardo. Let's try to defeat this boss, and then nothing. No, there's nothing. After that, new video and what? Yes, new video means did that mini militia video help you? If it helped, then comment in the or write something in the comment section because there is no comments. Okay, here are the mission: collect 150 power up, use 8 drones, use special vehicle 5 times. Okay, I'm ready. Yes, and so many things that my voice is just different in this video and what we say in mini militia video, but no, it's not different. I am Master Blade and my mic is broken. What the fuck? My mic was just broken and my car is broken. Okay, let's use it. This I don't like. Just started talking and we just got blowed up. See, we are getting so much of cash and what we say rep and no only rep, no more something else. It is nice. I think I have little gems only. I think 4 gems. I need to collect gems for extra guns or something. Okay. Oh, rival. Okay. See, I have defeated so much of rivals. Now I have to defeat my own. Oh, my own high score, but I didn't make it. I just died. Okay. How many XP? 5, 4, 2, 2 XP. What the heck? Little XP is for 5805 rep. Yeah. What is the special offer, buddy? Show me. Okay. I don't know. I should upgrade something. Yes, I should upgrade. I think my guns or first upgrade my armor. There you go. And no, guns will be a very bad idea because it will take 46,000 cash and I have only 94. Let's try again and let's try to defeat him. There is no much to talk because I am playing alone. If there was someone like I play what we say battlegrounds, then we can talk with our teammates and that's fun. You have seen jelly videos, capable cop, sorry, and slogo man. They talk with their teammates and they have fun. Whoa, this boat. I'm acting like mad. I think I'm doing it, isn't it? Yeah, I'm just doing because to make the video more fun. What do you say? I should reveal my face and use face cam? No, that's a bad idea. I will not reveal my face. There you go, there you go. Dodge the rocket. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, rival appears. Oh, I'm on a very low health. Okay. Oh, no, no. Let's use the gem. and what we say. I'm forgetting my what I have to say. Yeah, I have downloaded a new game WWE. What is special or I have just downloaded, so I don't know the name. Okay, what we say. I should next video on which topic? Do you have idea? So please say in the comment section. What the heck, you big fat vehicle? What you thought I'm going to say something like bad, big fat dash 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 dash. But no, my mic is just broken, so that's not nice. Now I have to spend money for a mic. So I thought before spending, let's make video without mic, and afterwards I will buy a new mic. There you go. I have a friend of name I don't know name Karan. He also have a what we say. He is inspired by me and make the channel Dragon Sword Gaming. His icon is DS in black color and background is red color. How is mine? MB in black and background circle and white color. That's nice. So he has also made and he plays PlayStation 4. I think so. He has started for making PlayStation 4. I don't think so. I don't know. He used face cam, not face cam really. The phone front camera. He's soon gonna to buy DSLR. What the heck? He just got a PS4 in this June month and now buying DSLR camera. For what? Making videos. Not in English. In other language. That's not a good idea. Isn't it? Like me, I make video in English language. That's nice because there are many gamers I don't know they know other language, so English is like an option. I am thinking that I should make a video with my face, not with my face but with recording my face also. Oh, I'm tired of this. I don't know what we should do now. I have to now collect gems for extra guns so I can clear the road easily. Isn't it? Hey girl? She gone. 8-minute videos over also. Okay, so what? Completed? Oh. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. So this was the just video of showing my car and how it's doing, and I will come back with the another video. In it I shall pray that I will have extra guns. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Be safe, be happy, and beware of the blue whale game. Don't download it, buddy. These games are not nice. They just there's no words to describe it. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and do whatever you want, buddy. Bye.